Hey guys, thanks for coming back. Let's talk about pizza for a second. It's one of my favorite foods. Pretty sure it's everyone's favorite food. Don't know anyone who doesn't like pizza. Let's be honest, it's really easy to just pick up the phone, have a pizza delivered right to your door. But it's so much better and it's so easy to just make it on your own. So we're gonna make some pizza dough today, and then from there, once you got your pizza dough down, the possibilities are literally endless. So let me show you just how easy it is to make homemade pizza dough. Okay, so to our bowl, we'll add 3½ cups of bread flour. Make sure it's leveled off. I'm using bread flour because it's going to give us a crispier textured pizza dough. If you only have all-purpose flour, that's fine. You could substitute that, no problem. You're just going to have a bit of a chewier textured pizza dough. But all-purpose flour works fine as well. To that we'll add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt. Then we'll add 1 packet of dry instant yeast. Combine all those dry ingredients. Pizza dough really is so easy to make at home. There's no need to buy it from a pizzeria or in the freezer aisle of the grocery store. Now we'll add our warm water. It's at about 110 degrees. You need the water warm because that's going to activate the yeast, help our dough rise. If the water is too warm, you'll kill the yeast, and obviously the dough won't rise. If the water isn't warm enough, it's not going to activate the yeast at all, and again, the dough isn't going to rise. So I have a 1.5 cups here. We'll add that in. And then we'll add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And if our dough is too sticky, we'll just add a little bit more flour, a tablespoon at a time. If the dough is too dry, we'll add a tablespoon of water at a time until we get a consistency we like. So we'll just combine all these and get the consistency we're looking for, and then we'll knead our dough. So now we'll just flour our surface lightly. And we'll take out our dough mixture. We just want to knead this together. Have everything come together, form a nice, elastic, smooth dough. And this is also activating the gluten. Again, we want to do this for a few minutes. This is similar to pasta. If you didn't see our video for homemade pasta dough, check that out. I'll link that in the description. So when you feel the dough sticking less to your hands. All right, that looks pretty good. We'll take a bowl here. Lightly grease it with some olive oil. Brush the bowl. We'll add our dough. Cover this with a clean towel. And let this just hang out in a warm, dry area for about 45 minutes to an hour until it doubles in size. We'll check on that in a little bit. Our dough is rested for an hour. You can see how much it's expanded. And that's it. We got pizza dough. That was so easy. Just right in this bowl. All you need is a bowl. You don't need a fancy stand mixer with a paddle attachment. Really easy to do. So from here you could get 2 large pies out of this. You could divide it into 4 and have 4 smaller pies. You could divide it up to be as big or as small as you want. So we'll just remove this. I'm going to divide it in half. Lightly flour a tray. From here you can cover this up, let these hang out for 10 minutes or so. When you're ready to cook, or wrap these in plastic wrap, put them in the refrigerator, and when you're ready, take them out, let them sit at room temperature for a ½ hour, and you're good to go. So we got some nice homemade pizza dough. Really easy to do. Give this a try. Go make some homemade pizzas. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.